Hey everybody, Lance here from Booter Designs. I've designed this 3D printed clamping block for the Milwaukee Packout plywood work surface. Simply, you take off these 6 screws, then you will find all of these pocket holes. Our kit includes 6 clamping blocks in one kit. They will have 3 holes. S is for standard, M is for metric, and this is a 5/8 hole. Some of the clamps you can use are this style, and personally, this one is my favorite. You can purchase these clamps on Amazon or at Harbor Freight. Let's get into this installation. First of all, we will take a 30-second drill bit and drill directly into this plastic base. And again, we have metric and standard and a 5/8 hole. Personally, I like the 5/8 hole more, so I will drill all 6 of these on the 5/8 hole. Now we will put the plywood work surface back on. Then we will flip it over and drill back through the plastic and directly through the plywood. Now we're going to take off the plywood top. And set this away. Then we'll use a 5/8 drill bit and drill through the holes we just drilled in the plywood. Now we're going to knock the dust off and put the tabletop back together. Now that the wooden board has been installed, you can use this application for cutting, drilling, pounding, and more. Here's how it works. These can be found on Etsy and eBay at Booter Designs. Thanks for watching. Have a good rest of your day.